Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day here, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but if you haven't, just a quick recap. Been talking about 35 cents being that ideal level of support that you would want to see hold strong, and it tried this morning. I mean, the price really did its best, hovered up around that area, but ultimately did, sink down below it, which prompts our first update that needs to be done, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So yes, 35 cents is now an area of resistance, and that doesn't mean that the price can never ever break up above it. My point here is that if the price, continues to try to go sideways and then work its way back upwards, the big question mark now becomes, can the price, of course, first off, just get back up to 35 cents? But if it does get back up to that level, can the, is any sort of bounce going to have enough strength to be able to break above it and stay above it? So definitely keep a close eye on that. That'll be that first big test of any sort of bounce. Actually, I'm going to get rid of that line there. It served its purpose for now, and I don't want to have lines and clutter all over the place. If the price can get up above 35 cents, then the next immediate level you'd want to turn your attention to is that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, currently valued at 39 cents. So you want to keep a close eye on that too, but one hurdle at a time. And again, that first key hurdle is going to be there at the 35-cent mark. Now, what about areas of support? Next area of support to keep an eye on moving forward, going to be down there at the 27-cent mark. And then if 27 cents can't quite hold up, the next key, and I would definitely consider this a very, very important level of support, is down there at 24 cents, which is denoted there by that pink line there on my chart, the 200-period moving average, but you can see its value right at that area there. And, if the price were to drop below there, then yeah, at that point, the chart would be looking very, very shaky. But that is, and even if you have a very basic surface deep understanding of charts, you've heard of that 200-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you definitely want to see the price stay up above it. So keep an eye on those couple levels going forward, but let's see how this one closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.